What do you mean?
I don't know.
Hey guys, Casey and Matt here today. We're going fishing.
You're stupid.
We're going fishing and it's like 8:14. Oh my.
Oh, I almost just rolled your ass up.
And the sun is gonna set soon, but we're still gonna have fun. And I brought my flashlight. I'm really excited about it too.
You're stupid.
Okay, bye. Are you ready to go fishing?
Oh yeah. Just gonna hope I don't fuck up this.
How cool.
Or at least my socks, so my feet are like sticking to the. Stop.
Can I put that in the video?
Sure. Oh, hi.
You drop this.
What did I drop? Is the right one?
Your ponytails.
Oh, thanks.
Look at it swim.
Is that a bunch of weeds or is that like sand right there?
It's weeds.
Is it really?
Yeah, I got stuck in them. Dude, this is straight up parkour. Quality film making.
I don't like the spot bubbles.
I don't remember.
Good morning, stupid head.
Having fun?
I didn't catch any fish yet.
You don't believe me? I found a snail. Guys, I found a snail. He's probably so scared right now. Look at him.
Probably dead.
No, he's moving. You're just a hater.
Is he moving?
Yeah,
Gary?
you're just a hater.
What up?
Look at him.
Use him as
Oh,
bait.
No!
I'm just kidding. All right, let's. Okay, one more. That's gonna be one, baby. God.
I got a little fishy.
Do catch any fishies?
No, okay.
Does our vlog look bad?
Spooky.
Ooh.
Well, we didn't catch any fish.
We suck.
We suck.